certain, my friend, I say it clear, I state my case, which I'm certain I've lived a life that's full. I've traveled each and every highway and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, few to mention. I did what I had to do and saw it through without exemption. I planned each other course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this. It was mine.